In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Framer templates. We're going to go through the full process of turning your Framer template into a product, connecting it to your Remix link, and creating a checkout page you can share with potential buyers. The nice thing about this workflow is that it's very simple once you've done it once. After your first setup, you can repeat the same process again and again for future templates without having to reinvent anything. To get started, head over to Lemon Squeezy. If you already have an account, just log in. If you don't, go ahead and sign up first and complete your account setup before moving on. That part matters because you want to make sure everything is ready before you create and publish a product. It saves time later and helps you avoid unnecessary issues when you're finally ready to sell. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the plus icon and click it. This is the area where you create something new in your account. From the menu that appears, choose New Product. That will take you to the product setup page where you'll build out your listing. Start by entering your product name. Make it clear, specific, and easy to understand because this is one of the first things a buyer will notice. Right after that, add your product description. This is where you explain what the Framer template is for, what kind of website it helps someone create, and what they should expect after purchasing. Keep the description concise, but make sure it still gives enough information for someone to feel confident about what they're buying. Next, choose your pricing. For a Framer template, click Single Payment since this is usually a one-time purchase rather than something subscription-based. After that, choose the pricing model that best matches the way you want to offer the product, and then enter your price. Try to set a price that reflects the quality of the design, the usefulness of the template, and the overall value you're delivering. You can also upload an image as a preview. This is a very important part of the listing because visuals make a big difference. A clean thumbnail, screenshot, or polished mockup can instantly help buyers understand what they're getting. It also makes your product page feel more professional and trustworthy. Once that's done, click on Links. This is the section where you connect the product to the actual Framer template your customer will receive access to. Now switch over to Framer and open your project. Inside the project, click on Canvas, then open the File menu. From there, select Copy Remix Link. This is the main link you'll be delivering to customers because it allows them to remix the template into their own Framer workspace and start customizing it for their needs. Go back to Lemon Squeezy and paste that remix link into the appropriate field. Then add a title for the link. Keep that title simple and clear so the customer immediately understands what they're clicking after purchase. Next, open the email receipt section. This is where you customize part of the customer delivery experience. Write a thank you note that buyers will see after completing their order. Keep the message friendly, helpful, and straightforward. Then enter the button text. This is the label on the action button the customer will use, so make it direct and easy to understand. After that, paste the Framer project link again wherever it's needed so the button sends customers to the correct template access page. This part is especially important because it helps make the handoff smooth. When someone buys, they should be able to reach the Remix link immediately without confusion or extra steps. Once everything looks good, click Publish Product. At that point, your product is live and ready to be shared. After publishing, click Share. Lemon Squeezy